So you wanna be a father? I think after how many years?
Within 4 years, I
Oh,
guess.
just you would like to go forward for your marriage after 4 years approximately,
No,
right?
no, no. Within 2 years. Within 2 years.
Okay, within 2 years. So right now you are thinking to go forward for your marriage, and after that you would love to be a father. And so how will I think? What about your plan? How will treat to your kids as a father? Do you
I
have
will.
any thoughts about it?
Yeah, I will not be a rude person to my children whenever they will make mistake. I will convince them that the work they are doing is bad, not their action. So I will, make them understand. I never scold them because whenever we are being scolded, so we know that whenever someone scold us, we do that work behind them, behind them. So this
Yes,
kind of thinking we always think that whenever
yes.
they are not aware, at that time we will do the work.
So it means you would like to support a lot to your, I think, kids being a father and as a father. Yeah, that's great thing about you. And what do you think? Like, if you will learn English very well, so you will be able to provide a good environment to your kids. I think so.
Definitely.
Hmm. So just
That's
you would like to do this kind of things for your kids as well, because maybe it can
yes,
help
yes,
them
yes,
to become a good speaker.
yes, yes.
So
Our
I think
good
now I.
thing is
Mhm. Yeah, now I would like to ask a question to about your parents. What one thing you do like about your parents? One most important thing. What do you like about your parents?
they are very supportive. Whenever I take any initiative, they never tell me that don't do this. Let's try. Don't worry. They are very supportive and caring also.
Hmm. So, like, what your fathers do right now? I think he is there in your home.
No, no, he was no more.
Yes, you can say that he is no more.
He is no more. Yes, he is no more.
Yes. Oh, it means he passed away. Right now, you do have your mother, right?
Yeah,
Yes. So what about mother? I think how she is loving you and how she would like to. I think just help you a lot. How she would like to treat you as a very nice son.
she she loves us. We are two brothers. She cooks meal for us whenever we get sick. He always cares us. She always cares us, and that's what we need. That's enough.
Yeah, that's enough. Yeah. So I think, and what I think, if you are thinking right now, you are a farmer, but you would like to see yourself, I think, in your life as a blogger, right? If you will be a good vlogger in the future, I hope so that what you would do first for your mom.
I will buy a car for my mom.
Oh, that's great. So you will teach her to how to drive, or just you will teach for her? You will learn, I think, drive for her.
I will drive, and I also teach her to drive because she can't go anywhere. Whenever she needs to go anywhere, so she has to book a rickshaw, anything, because and lack of transportation system, she always face problems. So I
Okay, that's great thing. Of course, I'm totally happy with you because you do have a lot more plans. So, but what do you think, like, for becoming a vlogger, how much I think years it will take, and how you will do really hard work? Because a vlogger nowadays, its competition is really cutthroat in the market, right? On YouTube also, you can see 1,000 people who are doing vlogging. So, how can you be different from them?
right now I am not seeing that it's my prime profession.
Mhm.
So because I am not very able now, so I am not seeing that I will be a blogger, because right now I am farming and this is my prime profession now. If
That's
I
great.
will be able, then definitely within 1 year or 1.5 year, I will make it.
That's great. It means you're really confident enough to do things better in your life. And it doesn't matter what are you doing right now, but if you have really great thoughts and vision in your mind, surely you can do something in your life. I'm totally agree with you. So just keep this thought and keep this idea in your mind to do something better in your life, and you can do that. So only the people they are able to do who are, I think, just keeping these thoughts in their mind. If you will not think, how you will become?
Yes,
Yeah, that is most important thing. And what about, I think, English, Yari? So how long have you been over here?
it has been over a month I have been using.
So and what about
Uh,
improvement? So which kind of improvement
Improvement
are you able to
is
see?
it's very good, as far I am realizing that it's good because now I have the courage to make mistakes.
Great statement. Of course, I think, if you do have the caliber to make mistakes, you can do anything in the world. So right now you are here, and I just observed that you are trying to speak very, I think, just correctly. You are trying to correct yourself with every grammatical kind of thing. So it's good, but by practicing a lot, you will be able to speak confidently, fluently, and with a good pronunciation as well. So sure, I hope so that. So, but what do you think like that? If you are talking to the people, so which kind of most important thing is that, I think, which can make you good communicator?